And it looked like a commercial poster almost, like it was lithographed and you could buy it at a Kmart or something. But they were all over the place, and it had the disc that I coined the term the sport model, was lifted off the ground about 3 feet at Area S4 on the dry lake there.
People call these large black rectangular areas on the top portholes. I believe they were some planar sensor array that just took in information from the surrounding area, whether it be patterns of stars or what have you. People call these large black rectangular areas on the top portholes. I believe they were some planar sensor array. So it's the reactor here powering the gravity amplifiers. Gravity amplifiers output goes into the gravity emitters at the bottom. The resulting gravity beam or anti-gravity wave can be pretty much put anywhere you want it to. Now I had access and was permitted to this main level, the gravity amplifiers, and the level below, the gravity emitters.
The power source is an antimatter reactor. They run gravity amplifiers. There's actually two parts to the drive mechanism. It's a bizarre technology. There's no physical hookup between any of the systems in there.